Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I will be taking you along with me on a Shop With Me series. And on this series, I will answer several questions that I received from you guys, which is where I buy the things that I use to decorate my cakes with. Today's topic is gold dust and glitters. And let's get started. Okay, so the first thing we will do is we will go ahead and just search gold dust for cakes. And as you can see right up here on the side, you get a lot of different results from different companies, and you even get Walmart, you get Global Sugar Art, Amazon, a bunch of different ones. The very first website that I used is called caljava.com, and it's the very first one here, so we will go ahead and click that. And luckily for us, you can see it right up here on their home page. If you don't find it right when you go onto somebody's website, just go ahead and click gold, and it'll give you all the results for everything that they sell in gold. For example, candles, sanding sugar, gold leaf, and here you'll see the highlighter gold dust. You will go ahead and click that, add it to your cart, and then it'll give you other suggestions in case you are looking for other dusts. But since we aren't, we'll just go ahead, view our cart, and check out. Sometimes when you are checking out, they do give you an option where you can estimate how much your shipping will cost. In this case, I don't see that option, but I will tell you I have ordered from Caljava twice my highlighter gold dust, and I have received it within 2 to 3 business days. I guess it just really depends on how busy they are, but I do recommend this as a place to shop. One thing I will say though is the highlighter gold dust that they have is not my favorite. So next I will show you my favorite gold dust. And this is the one that I recommend to all of you that ask me on DMs or that send me messages asking me which dust I use, and I always tell you it is Divine Specialties, and the website is divinespecialties.com. This website does sell a lot more different things than the previous website, so it is a little bit harder to find our gold dust, and I'm just going to give you a little run through of the front page here. You could go through the different sections, but what I'll do is I'll just type in gold dust, and here we reduce it to 2 different results. This one is my absolute favorite dust because I'm not quite sure how many of you have used the other one, but usually if you buy the other one where we saw on Caljava, I think the brand is called Ideal or Ideal, however you want to pronounce it. And I have mentioned in previous videos that the gold that they sell is slightly more of an antique gold, and let me pull up a different tab here so I can show you. Here we go. And here, this picture doesn't do it much justice, but you can see from the bottle that this gold is not as yellow tinted as the Divine Specialties gold. Here's a close-up. And when you paint on your cookies or on your fondant, you can really tell the difference, especially if you do it side by side. And I'll try to make a video where I do that for you. But here you can just see that it's very different. This seems more like a bronze, and this one seems more like a gold. So this one is my favorite because it shows up extra shiny on any of the creations that you will be making. So let's close this, and you can also buy it in different weights. I usually just get the 2-ounce. Depending on how often you use it, the 2-ounce has lasted me about approximately a year. So every time I buy it, I just buy one bottle, but it just depends on how often you use it. You can also get it in 16 ounces, and that is $90. The 2-ounce is $20.95. And they are pretty good about shipping too. They don't take too long since it is a big company. They try to get out their products as soon as possible. If none of these are an option for you, Cal Java or Divine Specialties, what you can do, and this is my total favorite site to shop in, and it's Amazon.com. And here we will put in gold dust for cakes. And here, immediately on the second option here, you can see it's Amazon's Choice Pastry Ideal Gold Dust. This is the exact same one that you can buy on caljava.com. And for example, sometimes they do have where they offer it on Amazon Prime, so you can get it within a few days. But in case, sometimes they also offer free shipping. So if Amazon is your absolute favorite and you're trying to just keep your shopping towards one site minimum, you can definitely find a lot of things here on Amazon. And here you can also do the silver. And they have a bronze, which to me their gold is more like a bronze. But then when you put them side by side, you can tell the difference. But anyway, here is the three main that was the three main websites where I get my gold dust. If none of those are an option, you can definitely do my second favorite, which is Etsy. And on Etsy, you can do the same like we've done in all of our other websites. Just click gold dust for cakes. And you get multiple different sellers. Divine Specialties is also on Etsy. Here they are. And it's the exact same gold dust that I showed you on their main website. Here's Divine Specialties again. Lolly Cakes by Ella. There's Divine Specialties again. There also is one that I do have, but I haven't gotten the chance to try, and it's this Rolcom Super Gold. I had a chance to try it on a very small piece of fondant, and I don't know if I was just in a hurry, but it didn't really convince me, so I'm not giving it a thumbs down yet, but I will definitely update you on how I like that. Here is Sugary Essentials, and I have mentioned her before on one of my videos. She's very good about communicating and sending stuff out pretty quickly. Let's just look on the second page to see what other stores we find here on Etsy. There's Artsy Edibles. She's also very good about shipping. And I will definitely list these shops down in the description box below so you can go back and visit them. I'm just kind of giving you a little shop through so you can see what I actually do when I buy my products and where I get them. Okay, so for the place that I really like to buy glitter is Sunflower Sugar Art. She used to have an Etsy shop. I'm not quite sure if she does or doesn't anymore, but I really like their shipping and I love their prices. So let's go ahead and explore their website. And here you can see on the main page you get a different kinds of mats for impressions. Let's go ahead and go to the top where it says color dusts. We'll go ahead and click Disco Dust. And you can find different arrays of dusts in here, many different colors depending on what you're looking for. You can also come down here and sort by popularity, low to high pricing. It just depends on what you're looking for. And to be quite honest, this is the only brand of glitter that I use on my cakes, cookies, and any other decorations I will be making for edible tables. There is different providers where you can get your glitter from, and let's go ahead and explore different options in case this isn't an option for you. So we'll go ahead and put cake glitters, and again, like we did previously, you can find here on Walmart, Global Sugar Art, Michaels. This one though is not for decorating. This is definitely for crafting, so make sure that you don't use this one from Michaels. There's Global Sugar Art. Let's go ahead and click here because I like the price on that. Here is Global Sugar Art's website, and like many websites, when you first visit them, you can get a percentage off of your first order, so you either decide to claim it or not. And here you can see the kind of glitter that they offer. You can also do a search here and type in glitter. And you get different options. There's little edible golden flakes, there's edible glitter gold squares, fine edible glitter, and many different types of glitter here. Those are my top favorite websites to visit. Again, there's many of them. You can definitely start by doing a Google search on whatever it is that you're looking for. And remember that the internet is your friend if you use it wisely. So anytime that you're in a pinch and you're trying to find something, don't doubt on going onto google.com and just type in whatever you're looking for. And if you ever do forget, or if you ever are trying to find something, don't forget that you can send me a direct message on Instagram, Facebook. You can send me an email and I will definitely be more than happy to help you. I hope this is able to help all of you out there looking for gold and glitter. And stay tuned for next week's video on my Shop With Me series, because we will be discussing cake boxes, cake pop boxes, cupcake boxes, and any type of boxes for your delicious treats. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next week. Bye.